Lines one out toward left center field. That's going to be in for a base hit. Here comes Sosa. He'll score. Marsh to second. And the Phillies have taken the lead. It's 6-5 here in the 10th inning. Run here, go on contact. A bouncer. Pass walls and into left center field. With the infield drawn in, Marshall score. The Phillies lead by 2.
What up? What up?
He's got 2 hits in his last 2 at-bats. And here it comes. Swing and a miss. He got him. Max Strahm with his second save of the season. It caps the biggest comeback of the year for the Philadelphia Phillies as they win it in 10 by a final score.
It's the full or not break going at 11:30. I don't know what we got left. 4 teams left. Not anything that's going to stop the break from continuing on. But we'll go right at 11:30, guys. Get your drink ready. Get your phone ready. Get your volume set in. Blue Jays, D-backs, Marlins, and Red Sox. Last 4 teams left. Charles McAdoo for the Blue Jays. Serpentine, Slate Caldwell. No one's sleeping on him? Okay. I don't know. Who am I? I just work here. Miami Marlins. Thomas White. Gonna sleep on him too? Okay. PJ Morlando. Who the hell am I? Red Sox got Garcia and Reyes. Josh Nixon. I don't know how you pronounce that first name. But we'll come back in, guys. Take your time. Be back. We'll get started right at 11:30. The nightly full or not. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. We'll get everyone tagged. I'm going to do the 2 hobby and jumbo. So last night I think we did the 3 hobby and 2 jumbo. Tonight we got the 2 hobby and 1 jumbo. In the meantime, got some of these packs for $30. Going to guaranteed auto, press pass. Picked those up the other night. Only 1 full or not tonight. We'll see if we can get back on for 2 tomorrow. Facebook cut our comment restrictions, so it is what it is. What can you do? I'm very surprised that the D-backs and Marlins are still out there, but who the hell am I? Thomas White, PJ Morlando for the Marlins. Slate Caldwell and Jansel Luis for the Serpentines, the D-backs. Blue Jays, Charles McAdoo. 3 left. D-backs and Marlins. Whew. Crazy. How do those stay alive?
To play, every single position out there. In spring training, they,
Garcia and Reyes for the Red Sox.
Told me to put away my glove. That I wasn't going to play any other position but DH. So right now, I just feel like it's not an appropriate decision by them to ask me to play another position.
No, fue solamente con el gerente, no sé qué le pasa a esa persona conmigo, él jugó pelota, creo que él también entiende que es muy difícil cambiar de posición así, creo que la pelota que él jugó no fue esta que estamos jugando ahora.
Yeah, it was the GM that I spoke with. I'm not certain what he has with me. He played ball, and I would like to think that he knows that changing positions like that isn't easy.
Okay, we're back. Getting on Sunday. So Saturday we'll go up to Orlando, and then Sunday morning we're gonna take the shuttle down to Cape Canaveral, and then Sunday, I guess it leaves around like 2 or 4, something like that. We'll cruise out of Cape Canaveral down here in the Caribbean, tropics, and then back up to New York. And then we'll take the train down from New York. So that's kind of the plan here. D-backs, Marlins, and Red Sox available.
I'm not sure why they.
Slade Caldwell, that's like the top guy in the whole deal.
No, yo soy como...
Thomas White, another top prospect in the whole thing. I can't believe the D-backs and Marlins still available. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think so.
Okay.
Like they've told me I'm a little hard-headed, and you know, this is they already asked me to change once, and this time I don't think I can be as flexible.
Sí, claro, porque ellos no tienen palabra porque ya
No problem.
posición y ellos mismos me
Okay, guys.
dieron la
Couple teams left, and we'll go right at 11:30 regardless, guys. So take your time. Go get your drink ready. Get whatever you got to get ready. In the meantime, anyone wants one of these for 30 bones, we've been opening up these, hitting all kinds of crazy stuff. Monster checklist on this. So you get one auto guaranteed and one base. If you want one of those, let me know. 30 bones. We'll do it right now. In the meantime, get ready. We got 8 minutes. Take your time, guys. No one's going anywhere. Felix Hernandez on this. Ethan Salas. Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt. Gary Sheffield.
y creo que
George Lombard Jr. Greg Maddux. Hagen Smith.
Here in the clubhouse.
Ichiro. Pudge Rodriguez. Jackson Churio. Jacob Wilson. Jason Churio. James Wood. Jeff Bagwell. Jeremy Rodriguez. Jerry Roos, Jesse Barfield, Jesse Orozco. You guys get the drift. 30 bones, you get one auto, one base. Let me know if you want one. We'll get it open right now.
Yeah, that's just where I stand.
In the meantime,
Of the 2022 MLB draft, the Chicago Cubs select Hayden Horton.
I think they've got themselves a future ace. Another K for K Horton. K Horton, I'm telling you right now, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't get more impressive than that. If you're a Cubs fan, you want to keep an eye on K Horton.
go relax, guys. We got time. We got 7 minutes. Unless one of you guys wants a pack, we'll do that right now. 30 bones, you get an auto and a base. Base, base, base. 3 teams left.
What makes me good is filling up the zone
Where's Timmy T?
on the right direction.
Crico, Wayne Rogers, and Krigster. D Ford was in the house. Haven't seen him for a while. Nice to see him back.
It's a new career high 10 strikeouts.
D-backs 50, Marlins 43, and Red Sox 73. What up, Chris? Long time no see. Sucks, we're only doing one full or not tonight. We got some of these for 30. Remember this, Chris? I think you got one of these yesterday or tonight or earlier. Yesterday, something like that.
Cubs have to ask for forgiveness? No. It was an
What up? We're going to get ready to go. Man, this is a long 6 minutes. 6 minutes till break time.
I would be
3 teams left. D-backs 50, Marlins 43, and Red Sox 73.
a worldly man, but must be a Cubs fan.
I don't know.
Southside, I was like, wow.
I just work here.
Because most Southsiders, they're black and white. They're the White Sox. They're all things White Sox. That's what surprised me. This is so good. Oh my God. The fact that this is just like adding.
Hopefully my Miami...
But the beauty of it is, the first news, the Cubs beat them to the news. Most people are going to be like, yep, the Cubs are a Cub fan. You know that. That's the bottom.
That's funny, I'm like, Summit? What the hell? Oh, okay, it's probably your kid, but I have a property we call it the Summit. It's on Summit Boulevard. I'm like, what the hell?
Last 2 hits tonight.
We used to call it the Dumps because when I bought it, it was the Dumps. Woo! Oh, I was going to say, Randy Johnson, he has an auto in there. You want one? Lambs?
Hands up, base run. Bader at second, Buxton at first base.
What one do you want, Lambs? One, 2, or 3?
Center field in the gap, Melons on the move, Melons will turn, that's in.
Give me your number, Lambs.
Here comes Buxton heading home. Henderson, no chance.
1, 2, or 3. Give me your best shot, Lambs.
Two-run double. It's 4-2.
Gotta love the mental toughness of the young kid. Struck out 3 times his first at bat, gets down to 2 strikes here, hits himself a fastball middle in at 98.
Oh, hang on, I'll show you. Hold on.
Into right field, that's going to send Kepler back, still going, and that baby's gone. Caminero got one airborne, and it carried right out of here.
That was the Kyle Teal we hit earlier.
So the Rays are on the board, and they tie this game at 1.
Oh, Summit was the dump. The Summit's the dump everywhere. Yeah, we call it the dumps forever. Now we call it the Summit property. Sometimes we call it the dump, but it's not the dump anymore.
109 miles an hour off the bat of Marte. His first
When I bought the property, I had basically like Sanford and Son living there. He had that thing of property loaded inside and out, junk everywhere, front lawn, back lawn, inside, couldn't even one way in, one way at the other. Had garage sales 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Mid-season managerial.
It was crazy. Crazy.
Relieved of duties, officially as they say.
Unbelievable.
Has been named manager. Shelton in his 6th year. He was the Twins bench coach before this. He was a Rays coach before that.
Okay, we'll go right at 11:30. 3 minutes left. We're going to start with the hobby. Let me know if you want one of these packs. $30. Guaranteed auto, press pass, and the base.
It's obviously a rebuilding situation. But you tell me your reaction. 6 here for Jack.
Derek Shelton's in a no-win situation there. Yeah, I really believe it. At this stage, when you look at the
Pirates will leave. Manager Derek Shelton from duties.
you know, the organization's got to be better at this point. As far as Derek Shelton, what he's throwing out there, he's given what he has. Listen, they haven't signed a multi-year free agent since Ivan Nova, a 3-year, $26 million contract back in 2017. I just feel like Derek Shelton. I know Shelton very well. He was always been he was a great hitting coach for many years. He was the bench coach out there for the Twins. He's a great manager, and I feel like his hands were tied for the whole time he was here.
Yeah.
With what he was doing.
And yet there's some underperformance on baseball plays.
2 minutes, guys. No big deal. No big deal. Take your time.
We see teams, we see it already this year, change hitting coaches.
1 minute.
Obviously, the problem. We knew that going in. All winter long, we said, why aren't the
Let's get rolling. Do we still have the Marlins available? Thomas White.
why don't they do something?
And the Cardinals? No, the Cardinals are gone. Good. The D-backs.
And they're actually even worse than we thought. So 7-game losing streak, they scored 12 runs, they're hitting rock bottom again.
True.
It's surprising to Matt.
Wow.
What are you accomplishing now by changing the manager? Maybe there's something to
D-backs. Okay. I'm surprised the D-backs and the Marlins are the 2 of the 3 teams left there. Very surprised, but who the hell am I?
Neil Cruz's center field situation was not a good look early on. And I'm not watching him pitch by pitch, day by day. So I don't say what I've seen is like something needs to change here. You want on that one?
I think longevity is the right call.
Okay.
The injuries of these young players and the draftees, they really haven't hit on. When we talk about offensive players, I think pitching wise they've done okay. But you're right.
Let me get a thing of top loaders. Hold on. I'm going to get another thing just because I think we might need them.
These prospects that have in the Pirates, and you compare them around the league to the Padres guys and the Cubs and the Reds, these guys are getting better and better every single year. That hasn't really happened in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, Cameron Hayes hasn't blossomed.
Okay, let's get rolling, guys.
The middle now that Adam Frazier.
Enough of the tomfoolery.
Those are not guys who would be starting in other places.
Let's go, Rob Lipscomb. They were just talking about the Pirates firing their manager.
Almost like 2 seasons back, I thought this is happening now. Things that looked like it was starting to happen to Pittsburgh. Why not it happen?
3 left, guys. 2 of the best. 2 of the Best teams in there still available. The Miami Marlins, the D-backs, and the Red Sox. It's not going to stop us from going. Home of the full or not breaks. If you don't know, now you know. Action every night. 11:30 Saturday, Monday through Saturday. Only day I take off is Sunday. Sometimes 2 full or nots. Tonight's not one of them. Stuff came up and Facebook restricted my comments a little, so
This is going to be awesome.
we said, okay, let's just do one. 48 now for the D-backs, Marlins 41, Red Sox 70.
He's coming, and you'll probably see him soon, maybe within a month or so. So I still like their foundation of pitching, but again, you made a good point there about getting started with Brian Hayes. Jack Sawinski's, I thought, should be a better hitter than to develop guys when they're.
I was looking at that Marlins and Serpentines. They get any more lower. Whew.
Some high picks, but some guys who have a high ceiling coming offensively for whatever reason. I'm not sure that's on the manager, but I do. I think I will say I like Tom Brady a lot. I'm a baseball guy, learned a lot under Jim Whelan, local guy in Pittsburgh. I'm not sure whether he's a long-term answer or a future. I think that team needs right now. What do you think?
I love Donnie. I know Donnie very well. He was very good out there with the Tigers, with Leland. He had a great postseason.
46 now for the D-backs, Marlins 39, Red Sox 67.
Breaking news today. Again, this doesn't happen that much in this day and age. A lot more stability. The manager has not assessed Blaine for 4 starts, but the Pirates firing Derek Shelton, their manager, just moments ago.
Let me figure it out for you, Flossie. What's up, Floss? What up, what up? That's it? Just the Mariners? Okay, last 3 teams. D-backs 44, Marlins 37, Red Sox 64. Who's coming in? Who's staying on the bench? Let's get rolling. Chang, Santana. Oh, we're looking for the red rookie logo. So if you guys see something, say something, okay? Red Sox D-backs gone. Marlins for 37. Kyle Tucker. Let me get the list updated. Kyle Tucker. Trey Yesovich. Last team available is the Marlins for 37. Who's getting the Thomas White? Okay, red logo. Thank you, Rob. Appreciate the help. Last team, Mojo. 35 for the Marlins. Let's go. Let's continue it on. Sounds about right. 1, 2, 3. It's better than, well, I was going to say it's better than 321, but it depends on who you're asking. Okay. Max Clark. Tavares. There's the Thomas White. Top pitcher. Go look him up if you want. Travis Bazzana. Contreras. J.J. Weatherholt for the St. Louis Cardinals. Are you kidding me? Dude, is that Lambs? Tell me that's not Lambs. That's Lammers. J.J. Weatherholt. Lambs, wake up. Are you there? Knock, knock, knock. Lambs. Oh, he's not there. Okay. Going to the house then. Nice hit, Lambs. He was looking for him last night. Then he got in tonight. Nice hit, Lammy. Chang. DeVries. Rhett Lauder. Bryce Harper. Greatness loading. Brooks Lee. Charles McAdoo. There you want for the Blue Jays. That's who you want. Sullivan. Brooks Lee. There's the Thomas White on the first. Javier. Who are you going for? DeFrida's probably got the Marlins. If I missed something, let me know. In other words, if you see something, say something. You know, like you're at the airport. Triantos. PJ Morlando, that's the other guy you want for the Marlins. Gonzo, Marlins getting a little hot. Marlins are warming up. Rockstar Adele Amador. Sammy Hernandez. Perez.
Chet Lemon again, a lot of the memories are when the White Sox had the shorts. They broke them out. Chet Lemon was wearing them.
Drake Baldwin and Kevin McGonigal. That's who you want for the Tigers.
And this is from
Maybe you can. They're only 31 now. We've been chopping them down. They're 31 now. Marlins for 31. There we go. You could tell that was the... I just told by the refractor. Nick York. For the Pittsburgh Pirates. Is that you, Rob? Nick York for the Pittsburgh Pirates. On the red rookie. Holiday Inn. Lewis. Sparkle me up. No pain, no gain. Braylon Payne.
Condolences to his family. Chet Lemon.
Well, sparkle me up.
I've been ill for several years.
Numbered me up to 299 for the Milwaukee Brew Crew.
1-1. Oh, baby.
Christian Moore, VIP. Very important prospect. Charlie Condon on the sparkle me up for the Colorado Rockies.
Power to every time zone in the contiguous U.S. That was a blast.
Yeah, that's what I said. The red logo. That's why I put them over there, brother. That's what I was saying. I don't know, that's what I was saying. That's what I meant to say if I didn't say it. So I said I saw it right away when it was the refractor. Cam Smith. Tavares, Eels, Montes, Green, Perez, Turner, Ramirez on the first, Jack Caglione, Case, Santos, Klassen on the first, Rockstar Luis Angel Acuna, Cruz, and Lopez. Max Clark. VIP, very important prospect, and Jang for the Dodgers. Malcolm Moore, Kevin McGonigal, Mookie, yeah, you bet. Lindsey, Yan on the first. Otani, Bench, Flores, Ortiz. Gonzo, Fontanelli. Don't know if I pronounced that right, but Jack Caglione, Greatness Loading, Castillo, Perdomo, Rhett Lauder, Rookie of the Year favorites, Meja and Letson. So we will ship out before I leave. Saturday I leave for the cruise. It's going to be like 11-day deal. So shipping's going to be a little bit whacked after this weekend. Fabian Lopez for the Miami Marlins. But this stuff will all get out before I go. Christian Moore. Drew Jones, Hernandez, Ben Rice, Xavier Isak, Janik, Arraez.
Back to the starting rotation. His ERA is 1.98.
Ooh, Jackson Chourio, 7/10 for the Milwaukee Brewers. 7/10. Whew. That's a something. Lopez. Burn, baby, burn. Kaysen, Freeman. Hightower, Cole Emerson. Jackson, Job. Cody for the Rockies. Okay, second hobby. Put you over there for now. Dude, are you kidding me? Lands in the green. Loving every minute of it. Oh, yeah. For a hobby? Whew. Say no more. Say no more. I think we're going to do the hobby. Tomorrow's Friday. I think we're going to do the hobby case tomorrow, full or not. And we're going to do the chrome black case Saturday, full or not. That's kind of like the schedule we're going into. National Treasures case. You guys sleeping on the National Treasures? I don't know.
What you're doing will eventually turn in your favor.
Turn on this one to right and deep. Trevor Loring steps it 0 for 9. They flip home run. And the Twins still even 2-2. Here in the sixth.
Not much more, just making sure he got his barrel to his ball.
And you got the auto. That Weatherholt, that's the guy you want to get with the Cardinals.
For strike three, Casey buys, using a fastball to tear down 2 Rockies. Wait a minute, strike three, there's that nasty splitter. Casey buys doesn't care what it looks like. He is rolling right now. And pairing it with a splitter, strike three, there, strike out number 5. There's strike three. Swing and miss. Stayed that same pitch. Well, that's strike three. See him. Lock him. 1, 2, 3, 8. He is back down for Casey Mize.
Charlie Condon. Nice little hit there for the Rockies. Flores and Fuentes. Uh-oh. Jared Sunderstrom for the auto to 299 for the Seatown Mariners. Little Mariners action. Gonzo. Little Gonzo McAdoo for the Blue Jays. Little McAdoo. McAdoo. Oh, what do they have it out here? To 350? Chase Mobley. Kim. Greatness Loading. DeVries. Kendall on the diamond cut. Quinn Matthews. Castillo. Oh, I see some pink there. Dalton Rushing. Meja, Mobley. Rockstar Jackson Job. McGonigal. There we go. And Escobar for the Phillies. to 175. Little Phillies action.
Couple of nice hits on this changeup there. That's a good pitch. It's off the end of the bat. Might have cracked his bat, but still, it didn't matter. Junior runs. That's a strike. Junior's in there. Indiana.
Cooper Pratt and David Ortiz Jr. Oh, is this Poppy's son?
Bobby's 2 for 3 today.
Really?
Stolen bases and 2
Let me know, guys. I don't know.
Bobby's 3rd hit. And he's going to end up at second base. India scores, and now the Royals have scored 6 runs today. All with 2 outs.
Rodriguez.
That word. Let's see how Junior uses
I don't know. That's my question. Luis Ramirez.
and he puts his bat down right.
I thought Rob would know. Buster Caglione, Travis Bazan. I go to you, Rob, for that kind of stuff.
2 stolen bases.
Makes sense. David Ortiz Jr. Santos, Cruz. Uh-oh. Oh. Bases loaded cards. Travis Bazana. Thank you, Chris. Kevin McGonigal. Fabian Lopez. D'Angelo Ortiz.
He weighted perfectly. Got enough elevation on.
And Luis Angel Acuna. Rookie of the Year favorites. Mets. New York Mets, yep. Drew Jones. Hernandez. Luke Cashel for the Minnesota Twinkies. Walker Janik. Connor Griffin. Jackson Jobe. There we go. For the red rookie logo on the left. Thank you, Juan. I appreciate it. Jackson Jobe. Nice little Tigers rookie of the year favorites. I like those red little. I like that concept, what they did with that. Good idea. Matt Shaw. And for the Dodgers, Sparkle Me Up Quintero. Sparkle Me Up. Not numbered, I don't see. See, I knew I got the top loaders for a reason. We're saving all that good stuff for the big jumbo, guys. 5 o'clock somewhere, guys. Everyone, relax. Finn. Kaysen and there it is. Hyan Chan to 199.
There goes Wilson. Pitches. Dribble left side. Cut off by the third baseman. A run scores. They get the out at first. And the Phillies have tied this game up at 5. He just put the ball in play.
Caldwell, Hightower, Echeverria, Kobe Mayo, Rockstar, Emerson Hampton. Greatness Dylan Cruz and Lucas Ramirez for the Angels.
A bouncer. Pass walls and into left center field. With the infield drawn in, Marshall scored. The Phillies lead by 2.
Romeo Santabria,
Single for Turner, who's got 2 hits in his last 2 at-bats. And here it comes.
Montez, Ugarte for the KC Royals. Kyle DeBarge, Sebastian Wolcott, Walters. Green Acuna number to 125 for the Metis. There's a nice pen. I remember we got his auto yesterday. No pain, no gain for Braylon. Caglione. Jesus Made. Nice Matty. Nice little hit there. Nick York.
ellos me hicieron la misma pregunta.
Okay.
Pero creo que ellos también me pusieron en una posición en
On the jumbo. Don't say we didn't warn you.
Yeah, no.
What, Jim? That message was like 3 days ago. What the hell?
It's the best.
I just got. You want me to believe that kind of stuff? I just got your message. Dude, we all got high-speed internet now. Come on.
All of a sudden, have me try to play another position. So from my end, it doesn't seem like a good decision.
Sí, después que pasó lo que
Jared Sundstrom for the Seatown Mariners. Michael Flossie, flossing it.
una posición, si él jugó a primera, sabe que no jugó primero. No vinieron hacia mí, fue ahora.
Yeah, right. That message was so old, I forgot what I was messaging you about.
Yeah.
Well, this is the time to shine, guys. Sounds like this guy's going to get fired. He's complaining too much. He's like, I can't play any other position. They asked me to play a position I did it once. I'm not going to do it again. Well, okay. Then we're going to find someone else to do it, brother. Doesn't sound like a team guy.
I know I'm a ball player.
No, we've been waiting for the A's to hit till you got here, Rui.
Every single
Rui, you going to do one of those packs, brother?
they, talk to me and they
One of those $30 packs?
any other positions like DH. But right now, I just feel like it's not an appropriate decision for them to ask me to play another position.
No, personalmente,
I don't think it's appropriate for them to ask me to play another position.
el jugó pelota, creo que también entiende.
Okay. I don't know if that's the answers I'll be giving, but okay. Who the hell am I? Randy Arozarena, let's get rolling, guys.
I spoke with,
Man, Jane for the Dodgers.
with me.
Man, I need to open up the packs from the box. I always hit like the auto in the first 1 or 2 packs.
Changing positions like that.
Jane for the Dodgers.
Pusieron que no iba a jugar.
Greatness loading, James Wood, Santos, Cruz Lopez, Matthews Mobley.
Que hagan su trabajo, que busquen otro pelotero que se vaya a
Uh-oh. I was going to say. Jack Coglione. I was going to say, do we got that red Phillies auto? Shoot, Phillies were hot last night.
They put me in this
Charlie Condon, VIP action. Drew Jones, Janik, Rodriguez, Travis Bazzana.
and now, I think they should do
I don't think that's anything too crazy, but we'll put them in the
market and look for another.
pile to look. Charlie Condon,
I'm not sure why they want me to be in between the way they have me now.
Kobe Mayo,
como ellos mismos dicen, yo soy un poquito terco.
Ortiz Griffin,
Esta vez no puedo cambiar mi mentalidad. Le dije a ellos cuál era mi opinión.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think so. Like they've told me, I'm a little hard-headed,
sounds like he's going to get demoted real quick. Dalton Rushing,
This time, I don't think I can be as much.
Sí,
Hope
ellos no tienen palabras.
to 125 for the Dodgers. Back on the Dodgers. Dodgers got like 8 or 9 autos in this too. Players with autos. Nick York,
I don't feel that they say
Rookie of the Year favorites.
they asked me to, they told me that I was going to be playing this position.
Basayo, Castillo,
Now they're going back on that. So, I just don't think they stay true to their word.
No, Anthony Cruz.
uh-oh, some yellow. Samuel Basayo to 75 for the Baltimore Orioles.
Y me va a mandar para un film. Y yo no puedo aceptar.
There we go.
Tipo pelotero que soy. Y creo que donde quiera que me mande,
Justin Crawford, Corbin Carroll,
Yeah, here in the clubhouse, thankfully, you know, the relationship that I have with
And there's our red rookie, Sagano, for the Baltimore Orioles.
the GM makes.
Sagano for the Orioles.
Someone in the outfield gets hurt and
McGonigal, that's who you want. Freeman.
The kind of player that I am. That's just where I stand.
Hagen Smith.
The seventh pick of the 2022 MLB draft, the Chicago Cubs.
World of Wars, James Wood. World of Wax, I mean. Rockstar Kobe Mayo. I was trying to listen to what they were going to say on if they were going back to this guy or something else. Uh-oh. Battery low, 5%. Give me the battery charger right away. What the hell? Okay, we're back in, guys. Cole Emerson for the Seatown Mariners. Ramirez. Coglione. Basayo Fuentes. And Cody Freeman to 125 for the T-Rangers. On the D cut. The diamond cut. Sebastian Wolcott. Greatness loading. Travis Bazana. May. That's who we want. Caldwell. There's the Slate Caldwell.
That's what I'm talking about. He's a White Sox fan. And she fouls down the organ. Real quick. Hey.
DeBarge.
Do the Chicago Cubs have to ask for forgiveness? No.
Thomas Agassi. Nick when it hurts it Kurtz.
I mean, what an assumption, by the way. Like, if I was a White Sox fan, I would be so annoyed that the Cubs are like, oh, he's from Chicago. He's obviously well-read, a worldly man, but he wants to be a Cubs fan.
What up, what up? Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Second half of the Jumbo, home of the Full or Not Breaks nightly. Monday through Saturday, baseball breaks. Perdomo, Jimmy's got the football and basketball breaks going. Uh-oh. What'd I say? The Marlins, Thomas White. Are you kidding me? Oh, man. Who took the damn Marlins? That's a lucky dog, dirty dog, if you've ever seen a lucky dog, dirty dog. Wasn't that the last team? No one wanted the Marlins. Last team. Are you kidding me? Juan Ortiz comes in and takes the Thomas White. And it's numbered to $4.99. I can't make this stuff up, guys. I try to. It doesn't even need to be made up. That's the guy you want to hit, too. Go look him up. Nice hit, brother. Nice hit. Collier.
Mental toughness of the young kid. Struck out 3 times his first
Rockstar. Trey Sweeney. Nice hit, brother. Walker Jenkins. Cole Emerson. Hampton. Montes. Fiend. Enchilada. Bosterios for the Cubbies. Burn and turn. Uh-oh, what do we got here? What do we got here? Home run, Haven Acuna. 52/75. On the auto for the Slam Diego Padres, Cobb Hightower. That's who you want for the Padres, too. If that's the Padres hit you want. Nice hit. That's another nice one. For the Padres, that's who you want. Ugarte, Wolcott, and Jack Penny. I'll go right back for it. Hang on, DeFreitas.
Managerial replacement Derek Shelton fired by the Pirates.
Oh.
Duties officially, as they say. The bench coach Don Kelly has been named manager. Shelton
Nice.
he was the team's bench coach before this.
Martinez on the red rookie. Stuck out like a sore thumb. It was in that paper. Or Elvis Martinez. There you go, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
But you tell me your reaction.
Look, Cushell. Now I got these things all. This is the way I want it, like this.
I really believe it. At this stage, when you look
Cushell.
at the end of the day, I mean, the organization's got to be better.
Bryce Eldridge, very important prospect. Pena for the Brewers. Nice little first there. Lines and Letson to 299.
Back in 2017, I just feel like Derek Shelton. I know Shelton very well. He was always been he was a great hitting coach for many years. He was a bench coach out there for the Twins. He's a great manager, and I just feel like his hands were tied for the whole time he was here. His hands were tied with what he was getting.
And yet there is some underperformance, and we got to come off on baseball play.
Some of the stuff we hit. Nick York, Acuna to 125. Ramirez to 199. Quintero for the Dodgers. Jackson Jobe on the red rookie. Luis Angel Acuna. David Ortiz Jr. Escobar for the Phillies to 175. Kendall on the D cut. McAdoo. On the auto, Sunstrom for the Seatown Mariners. Lopez for the Miami Marlins. Look at this stuff. Jang, Nick York for the red rookie. Charlie Condon on the Sparkle Me Up. Braylon No Pain No Gain. McAdoo on the D cut. Letson, Martinez on the red rookie. Penny. Hightower for the Slam Diego Padres to 75. Sagasi, Freeman. Sugano on the red rookie. Basayo for the Orioles. Nick York. Hope to 125. Mayo and Jang on the auto. Jackson Churio to 10. Thomas White's going to be the lucky dog, dirty dog with the J.J. Wetterholt. Can't go wrong with that. Thomas White, the last team picked, and he's a stud. And the Weatherholt, we know Lambs was going for that, so he called it. He got it. Guys, have a great night. We'll be back on tomorrow. Full or not nightly. Thank you guys as always for getting in. Everyone have a great night. Peace.